The ultimate home makeover. Unleash your creativity with a renovation loan. Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest tips and tricks for all things home related. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: how to use a renovation loan for your home improvements. Are you ready to transform your living space and make your dream home a reality? Well, buckle up, because we're about to dive into the world of renovation loans. But before we get started, here's a startling fact for you. Did you know that nearly 70% of homeowners underestimate the cost of home renovations? It's true. Many people embark on these projects without realizing the financial implications involved. That's why today, we're going to explore how a renovation loan can be a game changer for your home improvement plans. So, you may be wondering, what exactly is a renovation loan, and how can it benefit you? Well, let's find out. A renovation loan is a financial product designed specifically for home improvements. It allows you to borrow money to fund your renovation project while offering flexible repayment options. With a renovation loan, you don't have to worry about draining your savings or compromising on the quality of materials and workmanship. You can finally create the home of your dreams without breaking the bank. Now, you might be asking, how can I get a renovation loan? It's easier than you might think. First, you'll need to find a reputable mortgage loan officer who specializes in renovation loans. They will guide you through the application process, evaluate your project scope and estimated costs, and help you choose the loan that suits your needs. Let's talk about the benefits of using a renovation loan. Flexibility is a key advantage here. Unlike traditional home improvement loans, renovation loans often provide you with higher borrowing limits, allowing you to tackle larger scale projects. Additionally, these loans offer competitive interest rates, which can save you money in the long run. Another remarkable benefit is the streamlined approval process. Renovation loans typically have a simplified application process compared to conventional loans, making it easier and faster for you to access the funds you need. This means you can kickstart your project without unnecessary delays or headaches. Now that you're aware of the benefits, let's discuss some useful tips for utilizing a renovation loan effectively. Plan and budget. Before applying for a renovation loan, create a detailed plan and budget for your project. This will help you determine the loan amount you need and ensure you stay within your means. Choose the right loan type. There are different types of renovation loans available, such as 𝗙cie𝗹𝗹cie𝘄 loans, conventional renovation loans, and more. Consult with your mortgage loan officer to select the best option based on your project's requirements. Research contractors. Take your time to find reliable contractors with a proven track record. Request multiple quotes, and compare their expertise and pricing to ensure you make an informed decision. Keep track of expenses. It's crucial to track your expenses throughout the renovation process. This will help you stay within your budget and ensure you don't overspend. As we conclude today's video, we hope you've gained valuable insights into using a renovation loan for your home improvements. Remember, a renovation loan can be a game changer, empowering you to transform your living space into the home you've always envisioned. So, if you're ready to embark on your home improvement journey, reach out to a knowledgeable mortgage loan officer today. Take that first step towards creating the home you deserve. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting home improvement tips. Until next time, happy renovating! Claire Lynn, Senior Mortgage Professional, NMLS ID number 299,165. Your Best Home Rate, LLC. We care about you and your loan.